On to our third function review. The first two functions we have reviewed the PMT function, which is a monthly payment. We've also reviewed the PV function, which is present value. So in other words, on a car payment or an amortization table, how much do we currently owe? The third function is the FV function, or in other words, the future value function. This is similar to looking at an investment. So over a number of years, if I invest X amount of dollars, what is it going to be worth? So now, reading the problem, we're going to look at two different versions of the future value function. Problem number one, after taking several business classes in high school, you have decided that it is time to start your own investments for your college expenses. You are going to invest $100 per month over the next 4 years. You are expecting to earn an annual interest rate of 5%. Looking back in the problem, this is one part that's very important. $100 per month now into the spreadsheet. So we're just going to continue. We're just going to go down a little bit farther, and we're just going to start right there. So we're going to set up our labels. First thing we're going to need to know is our rate. We're going to need to know our term, or in other words, our time. How long are we going to look to invest? Third item we need to know is our amount, how much per month, and then what we're going to find is our potential value of our overall investment. So now first off, our rate. What we're looking at is we're looking at an investment of 5%. We're hoping to earn 5% back. The next part what we're going to look at is we're going to look at our term. So in other words, how many years are we looking to invest? According to this first problem, we are looking to invest for the next 4 years. Now, how much? Well, we're going to be looking to invest over the next 4 years $100 per month. So now we have our conditions. Oh, we got a slight problem. Look at how with our term it automatically converted to a percent. That's going to cause some major issues. So we're going to just take that back into a general number, and it converted it back to a percent. So that means we're going to have to click out, and we're going to have to retype it as a 4. Even though it says 4.00, that's fine. Technically, we can just go up and remove our zeros, our decimal places down. Now to find our potential value. Once again, I'm going to go back to the FX, or in other words, the Insert Function button. I'm looking for future value. If I don't see it listed, I could type in FV for future value, and there it is, so I click OK. Now, once again, we have our 3 bolded areas that we must fill in. All right, our interest rate. So in other words, what percent annual return are we expecting? We are expecting a 5% annual return. And we're going to divide that out by 12 months because we are making a monthly investment according to the directions. NPER. In other words, how long are we looking to invest? Well, we know we're going to invest for 4 years, but now because we're doing a monthly investment, we're going to do 12 investments per year and our payment. How much are we looking to invest each and every month? We're looking to invest $100. So we hit OK. And notice how it comes in negative. So just like before, we have to come back up into our formula bar, make that a negative FV, and we can see that at the end of 4 months, we are expecting to have $5,301.49. Now on to the other example. After taking several business classes in high school, you have decided that it's time to start your own investment for your college expenses, similar to the previous. Now is where it becomes different. You are going to invest $300 per quarter. So now, just like with quarters of a dollar, 4 quarters to a dollar, there are 4 quarters to a year. That is very key, and we're looking to invest for the next 3 years. You are expecting to have an annual interest return of 4%. Like I said, this one's going to be a little bit different. But now, as we go through and we set it up, we still have our interest rate. And according to our directions, we are expecting an interest rate of 4%. Now, how long are we looking to invest? Well, that's still how many years. We're looking to invest, once again, 3 years. And once again, for some reason, my spreadsheet's being a pain. So I'm going to go up, convert it to a general number, still being a pain, click out, click back in, change it to 3 years. And just because my OCD, I'm going to bump it back down to 0 decimal. All right, now, how much are we going to invest? We are looking to invest $300 per quarter. So we type in $300. Now we're ready for what are we expecting our future value to be. So we do our insert function, future value formula, and we hit OK. Now, just like before, we're going to start off with our interest rate. So our interest rate is 4%. Now, but because we are investing quarterly. We're not investing monthly, we're investing quarterly. We're going to take our interest rate and we're going to divide that by 4 because we're making 4 investments per year, not 12. Number of payments are, in other words, our NPER, total number of payments in this investment. Well, we're investing for 3 years times 4. So once again, we're not doing a monthly investment, we're doing a quarterly investment. Now our PMT, our payment, how much are we investing? Each payment, we're investing $300. We hit OK. Comes out negative. We have to go up into our formula bar, hit the negative sign, hit enter, apply it. So we can see at the end of 3 years, quarterly investment, we are expecting to have $3,804.75. Now, I've made you guys 3 videos for review. You need to make sure you watch all 3 videos. It's very important for the test. Hope you have a good day.